Hi you guys, it's your girl Victoria and I'm back with another video. So this video that I'll be doing is a review on the L'Oreal Infallible Foundation up to 24-hour fresh wear. Before we get into this video, don't forget to like, subscribe. You might as well go ahead and subscribe. You done clicked on the video. Don't forget to press that bell button to stay tuned with all my videos and comments. And let's get into the video. Alright you guys, so like I said, I'm going to be giving you my honest review on this L'Oreal Paris Infallible up to 24-hour fresh wear. I did get two colors, and the first color is 510, and that's in the color hazelnut, and the second color is 525, which is probably going to be way too dark for me, and that's in the color 525, and it's called Deep Golden. So I'm going to go ahead and try this out. I'm going to try this one first, and then just check out the colors. So I'm gonna put a little bit on my finger and I'm gonna try something right there. So that one doesn't look bad, and it looks like it's going to match my neck. So I may go with this one, and this is the other one, which I'm pretty sure is gonna be too dark. So yeah, and that's definitely too dark for me. Definitely too dark. I'm definitely gonna give this one to my grandmother. She's a little bit that shade, so yeah, it's definitely too dark. It says these foundations are very buildable. It's supposed to be lightweight, but you do have to build for coverage, and it's supposed to be full coverage. So I'm pretty sure this may be a good foundation for my skin, because I'm very dry, but I'm just hoping that it won't make me look very cakey. So I normally go in with the vitamin E oil, and this is good for skin health. It says it may provide skin health with moisture, keratin nourish skin for a healthier appearance. So this didn't cost me too much. I definitely use it for my dark spots and like under my eyes and stuff. So I'm just gonna put like a little bit on my finger and rub that in. I like to put it under my eyes. Y'all, I have horrible bags, but I've always been a night girl. I've never been a morning person at all. So if you catch me, I'm staying up all night. Like, if I could, I'd post videos all night long, but you guys are normally sleeping around this time, so. Alright, so now that I'm done with that, I'm going to prime my face with the Hard Candy Hydrating Prime Mist. It says 24-hour power, and it's supposed to hydrate the skin. It is silicone free, and it does say on the back, we love our animals, we do not test products on them. So I got this for $1 at Walmart. I'm gonna try it and just gonna spray my skin. So I'm gonna fan it and let that sit there. I definitely do like the Smashbox primer, but I'm definitely out of that. So I'm just using this and just trying out new things. I really want to expand my horizons on these makeup products because I want to kind of like transition into makeup. You guys know I do hair a lot, hair reviews, so I want to kind of combine both of them together. Now I'm going to go in with the 510 and wish me good luck. I'm going to do like 2 pumps on my beauty blender and just pat that on my face. Wow. So it covered nice, and this is just one coat. You definitely can see, I still can see like blemishes on my face. So I definitely will go in with another coat, but I'm gonna finish blending it out before I decide to go into with another coat. So I'm gonna do some more pumps because that was just enough for the bottom of my face, but I'm gonna add just a couple more pumps. I was thinking that it was gonna make me have like a grayish tone because a lot of foundations lately have been making me look like I'm in a casket, and I'm not trying to walk around looking like I'm dead, so. So you guys, this is the foundation on me, and it does not look bad at all. Like, I'm liking it. It is drying in a matte finish. It's not giving me any like cakey vibes or anything like that. I don't feel like I'm in a casket. I like it. I think this is the right color for me. Ooh, I got a new foundation, y'all. So I am gonna go back over my dark spots right here, like as you can see, because I want to see the full coverage. Okay, so I went over it again and you can't even see that. Okay, L'Oreal, don't do me. I never used to use L'Oreal because I honestly thought it was like some grandma makeup. I don't know why. Y'all was tripping back then when I was young, so. Alright, you guys, so now that my makeup look is sharpened, I'm gonna go ahead and just go ahead and finish doing the rest of my face, and then I'll come back in to give you my honest review on the makeup. So this is my finished look. I really love the foundation. To all of you who have dry skin, I definitely advise you to use a serum like I did, or the Smashbox primer, so that it won't look as cakey or anything like that. If you have oily skin, then this is perfect for you because it does dry matte. It says that it's breathable foundation, so we're gonna have to see after I wear it for so long. I did go in, like I said before, in the color 510, and that's hazelnut, and this is how it came out looking. I did contour my face and stuff like that, so it didn't come out bad. I really love the foundation. It was $11 at Walmart. I definitely think you guys should check it out. You guys might as well go buy that. Like, $11 is not bad. It's very affordable. You guys, it came out so nice. I feel cute, so I'm gonna just walk around like this all day long. Yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I definitely think you guys should check it out, and I want you guys to like, go ahead and subscribe again if you have not pressed that bell button, and stay tuned to all my videos. If you guys would like to see more looks like this, then let me know. I'll definitely get that going for you guys. So thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.